Hello and welcome to my son Diffram. Today we are gonna make fried rice, but we're gonna use ramen. We're not gonna use our rice today. We're gonna use a ramen noodle today. And for this we need a ramen and an extra packet of beef flavor. You're gonna need some oil. I have caldo de pollo right here. I have a sausage and leftovers and an egg. And for spices, I have here Badia complete seasoning. I have black pepper. I have minced garlic and turmeric. I have onion powder and crushed red pepper. Now this pepper has white pepper and black pepper in it. So the ramen, you just crush it down. Crush the ramen until it's small sizes like this. Just crunch it into small pieces. And this, we're gonna chop it really small. So just go ahead and make it into dices. And how small exactly I'm talking is probably gonna be fairly small, like this. Just like that, like little tiny pieces, so we can have sausage flavor in the noodle. So then you want to pour some oil in your pan and start toasting or start sauteing the sausages, brown them, and get them started. Again, just to prep your noodle, take out the packet and then empty both packets into the noodle and shake it up like this. Just put all the contents of the packet in there and just give it a quick shake. Then you go ahead and pour the water and fill it to the noodle, and then you seal it and let it sit. So next we're gonna go ahead and put in the egg and just throw it in like this. And let it cook up a little bit. So now we can go ahead and add the noodles because they're nice and soft now. And you do want to add some of the flavors, like this chicken bouillon, pepper, the Badia complete seasoning, garlic, turmeric, red chili flakes, and onion powder. And then just mix it in. Lastly, I have hot sauce, soy sauce hot sauce by Doña Lola. and you just give that a mix. Then you can just serve it hot like that. And that is egg fried ramen. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Next one different. Bye-bye.